people, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I think I'm gonna help shovel the gravel from the front to the backyard, and like para siyang construction worker. So magko-construction ako ngayon. So today I'll be doing a construction. Yeah, something like that. But before that, I'm gonna show you a quick thing what I'm gonna do. After I have my coffee, I'll work for at least 30 minutes, you know, just checking my emails and maybe upload, make designs, maybe a couple of designs, and then check my, you know, my store, and then orders if it's already been shipped and something like that. So I'll show you a quick thing that what I do every day. So basically I work from home, and this platform or software called PicMonkey, I create the designs, and then after that I'm gonna launch it through this platform called Bubble, and then it's this launch campaign. So I'm just gonna choose this, you know, whatever designs I wanna put, whatever material I mean, or products that I'm gonna put. And then after launching it, so this is the drop ship, this are the orders. So I'm gonna put that or push it to C stores. I'm gonna to Amazon. So I just do like this, and then after that upload. This is Amazon, so you just close it, and then so Etsy, and then upload. So I'll just wait for that guy, and then after that I'll like roughly around 5 minutes I'm gonna go to Etsy and check if it's there, and then after that I'm gonna change or put tags and everything, so something like that. So that's it. That's basically what I do. I will make a video one of this day about the e-commerce and how I join it and why I join it, or is it a scam or is it real. I will be sharing that to you guys, so you will have an idea. So to those who wanted to be independent worker, or something, you're basically just home and then do something that generates something income, not much, but because I'm also new, so I think, you know, maybe hopefully not maybe, but hopefully someday that it will pay off the things that I do every day. But I think it's just a matter of patience and perseverance. So I will be happy to share that to you in my next video. So guys, bumalik na ako dito sa loob kasi nagutom ako sa buhat ng ng gravel, kaka-shovel. So ito, nag-snack ako ng maha. Yung niluto ko kahapon. Masarap siya. Fluffy. So magluluto ako nito sa December kasi mag-house blessing kami. So sana magustuhan ng mga bisita ko, yung mga pupunta dito. Hanggang sa susunod, and thank you for watching, and don't forget, you are amazing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.